Stop losing your USB caps and give your tech a tiny soul. This adorable clownfish cover isn't just cute, no, protects your drive from dust and scratches while making it impossible to miss on your desk. Best part? You only need simple single crochet stitches, making it the perfect project for absolute beginners. Let's stitch some joy into your workspace. We'll start with the main body. First, create a magic ring. Chain 1. And work 6 single crochet stitches into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the yarn tail to tighten the magic ring. Finish the round with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Round 2, chain 1. From now on, we'll follow the same joining rule. Start each round with a chain 1 and finish with a slip stitch into the first stitch. I won't repeat this in every round, so please keep it in mind as we go. Work an increase into the first stitch, which means 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Repeat this pattern until the end of the round. Round 3, crochet 5 single crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, followed by an increase. Repeat this one more time, 5 single crochets, then 1 increase. Round 4, crochet 6 single crochets. Followed by an increase. Repeat this one more time, 6 single crochets, then 1 increase. Once you've finished, try fitting your USB drive inside to check the bottom size. If it fits perfectly, we're done with the base. If it's still too small, simply increase the number of single crochets to widen it. Remember, every USB drive is a bit different, so feel free to adjust. Next, we'll move on to the body. Simply work 1 single crochet into each stitch, no increases or decreases are needed. Keep crocheting until you reach the length of your USB drive. For my specific drive, I will continue until round 15. After finishing round 15, I'll try it on one more time to make sure it perfectly matches the length of the USB drive. Now, let's create the head. Chain 1. Work 1 single crochet. Then chain 9. Skip 5 stitches, and work a slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 1, turn your work. and work 9 single crochets into the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Work 1 more single crochet right here. Then, on round 15, we will work into the front loops only and crochet 5 single crochets. Finish the round with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Round 17, work 1 single crochet into each stitch until the end of the round. For rounds 18 and 19, simply repeat the same pattern as round 17. Round 20, start with 1 single crochet. Then work a decrease into the next stitches. Continue with 6 single crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Followed by another decrease. For the last 5 stitches, work 1 single crochet in each. Round 21, start with 1 single crochet. Then work a decrease into the next stitches. Continue with 5 single crochets. Followed by another decrease. For the last 4 stitches, work 1 single crochet in each. For round 22, simply work decreases in every stitch. Leave a 20 cm tail for sewing the gap closed before you cut the yarn. Bring the yarn to the center. Chain 5. And leave a yarn tail. We'll use this tail later to sew the heart onto the spot once it's finished. We've just finished the head, now let's move on to the mouth. I'm using blue yarn here to make it stand out more. Insert the hook into round 15, working into the front loops only. Chain 1. Then work single crochets all the way around. Round 2, work 7 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, followed by an increase. Repeat this pattern one more time, 7 single crochets and 1 increase. Round 3, crochet 8 single crochets, followed by an increase. Repeat this pattern one more time. Cut the yarn. Turn this piece inside out. So, we've finished the body of our clownfish. In the next part, we're going to crochet a cute heart to decorate it. Next, let's move on to the heart, using red yarn. Start by creating a magic ring. Then work 6 single crochets into the magic ring. You can choose to work in continuous spirals or join the rounds with a slip stitch, whichever you prefer. Round 2, work 6 increases. Round 3, work 1 single crochet into each stitch until the end of the round. This is the top part of the heart. Now, go ahead and make another one just like this. We are going to connect these two pieces together with a slip stitch. Work 1 single crochet into each stitch around, which means you will have 12 single crochets on each side of the heart. For round 5, we're also going to work 1 single crochet into every stitch. Round 6, work 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, followed by 2 decreases. Then, crochet 8 single crochets. Another 2 decreases. And finish with 4 single crochets in the last 4 stitches. For rounds 7 through 10, please follow the pattern shown on the screen. Once you've finished round 9, remember to add some stuffing inside. Once you've finished crocheting, there might be some small gaps in the heart. Use a sewing needle to carefully sew them closed for a perfect finish. For the eyes, simply work 6 single crochets into a magic ring. Make 2 of these, and you're all set. Now, let's start decorating this USB case. And there we go. We've finished this super cute USB case. You did a great job. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next video.